Hello and welcome to the short video about Jaguar XK8 door card riveted assembly. This is video 67 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm showing how the interior trim is attached to the door card. If you are interested in Jaguar XK8s, might I suggest you subscribe to my channel by pressing the little red subscribe button, clicking the bell to be reminded when videos are available, clicking the thumbs up or thumbs down if you like or dislike the video. And if you have any questions or comments, please add them in the comment section below the video. Okay, so in order to look at the door card assembly, you need to take the door card off. That's covered in video 65. The door card assembly then, once you've got it off, is made up of three parts. The first part is actually the door handle, which is covered by video 66. That can be removed. The further three parts is the top trim, which is a different colour, the middle trim pad, and the speaker grille or speaker trim. So the top panel, the different colours you can see, and the trim pad are firmly attached, including it's an assembly together with the pocket. They're firmly attached to the door card. You can see the detail on the back. So the trim pad is actually plastic riveted to the door card itself, so you can't remove it with hand tools. Looks like it needs drilling off and re-riveting if you want to take that off. The upper trim, the different coloured bit of trim, that is also plastic riveted, but also has some additional tabs. Again, that it looks like the rivets are integral to the fixing. So again, it's a bit destructive to take that off. There's four of those. So the trim pad and the top section aren't easy to remove. Just to go through it then, so the top bit of trim, there's four different sets of rivets and tabs. And then the actual trim pad itself, in red here, there's 9 plastic rivets holding that on. Finally then, the speaker cover. It can be removed easily. It's got 2 screws at the bottom, and if we turn the card over, the door card over, you can see some tabs. So the black plastic tab here. The speaker itself is a tab, the speaker grille, and there's another tab, black tab on the right there. Going through the actual detail then, you can see it when it's removed. Got the large black tabs at each end. The speaker itself, speaker grille, slightly protrudes, becomes a tab, and the tab at the other end. As I say, so looks like you're basically undo the screws and lever it out and downwards. Should be able to remove the speaker trim in situ. There you go. Hope you found that interesting. If you're looking to retrim your car and you want to know some details about the door card, there you go. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it, please share, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.